Right now, 6 people are in the hospital because of possible carbon monoxide poisoning at a home in Tarrant County. This happened last night in South Fort Worth on Orleans Lane near Crowley Road. Our Chris Sadecki reports.
Carbon monoxide is called the silent killer because you can't smell it, you can't see it, and Fort Worth Fire Department said they found 6 people at this home on Monday night, apparently suffering from the effects. They said that the call came in from a child who was at the home who called 911 after noticing their mother was not feeling well at the home here on Orleans Lane in South Fort Worth. The firefighters showed up, and that child answered the door, but the firefighters said that they could see the kids already starting to pass out inside the home. Even 5 fire department personnel were hospitalized because of injuries they suffered during the rescue. As for the cause, the department said a car was left running in the garage. That's always a big producer of monoxide. The fire department talked about how they handled the scene once they got the people out.
Well, so we did have our hazmat crews here on scene. They were doing testing and air quality control of the home. They did use fans and things to blow out the carbon monoxide from the home.
We see this every so often, especially in the cold weather months. Monoxide poisoning happens with these causes. When kitchen appliances, generators, propane grills are being used to heat the inside of homes without ventilation, and the apparent cause here, vehicles running in closed garages. If you have monoxide detectors, make sure they're on every floor. So far, we have not heard a reason why or how the car was running in the garage with the door down. I'm Chris Sadecki, now back to you.